जब मैं कॉलेज में था ना तो आई थिंक इट वाज माय सेकेंड ईयर and this was a rule मतलब for first year, second years and third years. Second year में मतलब I had this girlfriend that I was seeing and भाई मतलब हमारा ना Monday to Friday कॉलेज होता था और हम लोग एक दूसरे को रोज मिलते थे मतलब through between Monday to Friday और particularly अगर मैं कॉलेज नहीं भी जा रहा होता तो मैं अपनी बंदी से मिलने के लिए कॉलेज चला आता था so that we can meet, we can talk, we can do stuff and stuff. And then there used to be this thing that Saturday or Sundays used to be our off. ठीक है हम कॉलेज के हॉस्टल में रह सकते थे but girls were allowed to go out for a certain amount of time. We were also allowed to go out for a certain amount of time but our time was more flexible than the girls in our college, right? उस टाइम पे जो मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड थी या फिर किसी की भी गर्लफ्रेंड थी उन टाइम पे मतलब हमारे कॉलेज में and everything and those girls every Saturday they wanted to go out and इतनी धूप होती थी मतलब it was Bhubaneswar, the temperature was mostly humid, you know, it was very hot but उन बंदियों को पता नहीं क्यों उस weekends में ना घूमने जाना होता था Saturday और Sunday दोनों दिन घूमने होता था ठीक है और even though you do not want to go you have to go otherwise you will end up losing that girl. That was the scarcity mindset that most of the people had there and I think this happens with men particularly because they are living in scarcity. They go through these experiences, they cannot say or express what they want. If somebody is not able to understand what are you comfortable with and what are you not, then why are you even with them? Okay, and at that point of time because of the scarcity I could not realize it or my friends and I'm damn sure a lot of them cannot even realize it today matlab in their own life. Probably today there would be a lot of things that they would want to say or do in their relationship but just because of that scarcity mindset they are not actually able to do it and that has changed the whole spectrum for me. That one relationship at that point of time which I've gone through and I realized कि ये इस तरीके से किया जा रहा है and I used to hate the fact कि मेरे को जाना पड़ रहा है but I was still going and after a point of time what happened? The relationship ended. And why did it end? It ended because the other person was just thinking about himself or herself, right? And they could not understand their partner. So this is the story, guys. Don't be in a relationship because of the scarcity. Don't be in a relationship just because you want a girlfriend. Just don't be in a relationship because you think that just having a girlfriend is a cool thing. मतलब हाँ ठीक है but be with somebody who really understands you. Build some more abundance in your life. Meet more people. Go out and socialize more. Game सीख लो. It becomes 10 times better in its own way. आज मैं content बनाने आया हूँ और मैं देख रहा हूँ कि बंदियाँ पूरी बाहर है. यहाँ पे एक बंदा नहीं है भाई तो बंदों को निकलने का कोई शौक है नहीं. जबरदस्ती बस बंदियों के पीछे उनके चक्कर में बाहर घूम रहे होते हो तुम. इससे अच्छा इतनी अबंडेंस बिल्ड करो अपनी लाइफ में कि तुमको ना करना पड़े, खास करके वो चीजें ना करनी पड़े जो तुम्हारा मन नहीं है करने का भाई. That's it. Build some abundance, move away from scarcity. If you don't understand, I have a tattoo I can show. So let's go. See you. Bye bye.